Basket Pre back with another reaction, man. Hey, first of all, I want to say thank you for 12 subscribers, bro. We are going up. I appreciate every last one of y'all, bro. Every single last one of y'all. Today it looks like we got Alijah Arenas versus Tajh Ariza heated championship game, bro. Yeah, sons of Gilbert Arenas and Trevor Ariza, two NBA legends. It should be a good game. Let's just see who won, man. Let's see who won. Appreciate y'all, boys and girls. That's Gilbert's son. Is this? Are we starting right here? No way, we're starting right here. Give me that! Okay, hold up. We're not starting right here.
Ball out of bounds.
Okay, this is about to get crazy. This is about to be crazy. He said, "You a bitch. You a bitch." Yeah, I could. Arenas. That's Alijah. High post. Go to work. Okay. Okay. Y'all gonna leave that one open? Oh, that's cool. Push it there. He just took an elbow. Oh my God! You can tell. You can tell, Alijah. This might be one of them ones, Alijah. Okay. Good fine. You gotta finish. I ain't gonna lie, 12 working already. 12 is working already. 12 is working. 12 is get it. 12's working right now. I ain't gonna lie. Good pass. Woo! Oh, whoa. Photographer trying to always catch some shit. You see, nigga fail. Photographer ready. Crazy. Oh! Okay. I like the little, yeah. Need it. That's a good shot. That's a good shot. Go to work then. Go to work there, Alijah. Sizing. Oh my gosh, yo. I'm telling you, his dad really has him ready, bro. He's seeing what the defense is giving him to him, and he just going and taking it, bro. He just taking it. He just like I said, these two guys' sons, they're just above the game. I ain't gonna lie, there's nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, bro. He cooking right now. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. Who is that? Is that Keith Lee? Is that Keith Lee? I swear I don't know if that was Keith Lee. Look like Keith Lee. Good pass. Okay. Give me that. Okay. Whoa. Oh, yeah, he talking. Yeah, he talking. That's what I like to see, Alijah. Oh, yeah, okay. Go ahead. Yeah, sizing him. Can we get a score check? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, ref, that's a movie screen, but they probably ain't gonna call that in at this level. Hey, but you cannot do that. You definitely cannot do that. It doesn't matter. He going to work. Oh my God. That's just two. Look at this nigga. He's just very smooth. Oh, that's on Ariza too. That's on Ariza too. He said, "Yeah, I got a bag. Yeah, I got a bag." He said, "Yeah, I got a bag, bro." Hey, I'm telling you, Alijah, he's very lengthy too. Good. Like, way to just not look around, bro. And what? Yo, who's this ref? Who's the ref? Nah. Ref check. Do we pass? I'll give him a pass. Some refs they be having out here be. Oh, I'm about to say he started making shit like that. Good pass! I go like he just cooked Ariza. Hey, he definitely just cooked you, Alijah. He definitely did just cook Alijah. Oh, where you go? Ooh, and it was a foul. It was a foul too. Yeah, you heard the little ooh. I know you heard it. Good pass. Hey, y'all, I'm telling y'all. We don't have 12-15. Who's home? What's going on? Good pass! It won! Damn, this nigga look grown as shit. He should have dunked it. Oh, okay. What's happening to my volume? Oh, shit. What's happening to my volume? Hey, he talking his shit, though. Pull up transition 3? That's how you feeling? Tajh? Ooh, you like Katie? Hey, I'm telling you, bro. Whoa. Okay, go to work then. He working. 21 working now. That's an old nigga. That's up. That's old nigga. Oh. Tajh? Oh my gosh. Like. There it go. He had to get a little reset. He just had to get a little reset. He wasn't struggling. Don't think he was struggling. He just had to get a little reset. Watch the bag. Back it up. I know. Glass hit the shot clock. Okay, look. Now look. Accelerate. Get there. You giving that to me? That's a knockdown. Come on. Bag work. Damn, I look like we foul. Hey, let these boys play though. I can sell us getting rowdy. Left hand. Yes, sir. 12. He said, this is how you gotta be. Foot on line. What if the ref held up a 3? I don't know. That might be NBA range. But he definitely held up a 3 though. So I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe it's the blue line. Ah, yeah, it got to be the white then, bro. That's a good take, though. That's a good take. What? Oh, my gosh. Who is up and who is down, bro?
Music off, please.
Okay. Okay, he talk about music off, please. They trying to get mixtapes in the middle of the game. Damn, bro. 3 fast as shit. Good shot. Good shot. Hey, the little dudes, they be talking, bro. Yeah, he turned around and he said, fuck defense. I turned around and started talking. Because, bro, yeah, I'm telling you, they be playing with. Look, he said, spink. Okay, look. Yeah. I'm telling you, bro. That's how you gotta be. Do he got the Edwards on? Do he got the Edwards on? Yeah, them the AEs. Yeah, them the AEs. I'm telling you. He that's all you need to know, bro. That's all you need to know. He got on the AEs. Oh my, bag worked in. Alijah. I told y'all, his dad said he be practicing before school. He kill his legs. Like, yeah, he kills his legs, and then he just got him shooting 1,000-some shots, whatever he did. All right, you think he's still doing that? I mean, I don't know. Oh. Damn, you got to make that, though. Good board, though. Good board. Ooh, good spin. Ooh! Odie. He said, not around in here. Doing all that spinning. Give me that! That's a foul. It don't matter. And 1. I'm telling you, yo, 3 is talking. 3 is talking. He laid him, and then he just immediately looked at him when the ball went in. Look. Oh my god. Yeah. This nigga like Mikey Williams. Yeah. 3's a threat. No, yeah. 3's a threat. I know his type. I know his type. AEs. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, the teammate knows his type too. He knows he's a crash out. Look at him. Look at him. Look at the cameraman. He like, I gotta get this. Oh my gosh. Yo, you gotta get him. You gotta get him. You have to get him. You gotta get him.
Tie ball game.
The one moment, bro. Okay, then. Oh, he's starting to skip. He's starting to skip. I'm telling you. When they start celebrating, it just makes the other team want to go harder. Has he? 21 working. Is that a travel? I can't even tell. Maybe it looked like a travel. It looked like he was doing a lot of moving without the ball. Yo, 12 is he's just sitting in that dunker spot. 30-39. Okay, so I think Arena's in them team. Ariza's team, the black team, they're up by 9. They're up by 9. I think they're guests and they're home. And oh, he throwing no looks. Give me that! First of all, that nigga throwing no looks. He throwing no looks. Oh my! He said, "Give me that! No highlight over here." Oh, goaltend. Goaltend. It was a goaltend. Yeah, so technically he gets it.
Off the glass, Alijah Arena.
You hear him in the background. You hear him in the background, listen to him, he talking about, yeah, that's money. Hey, whoever that ON is, somebody need to get him on the court. Oh, he said he's little as fuck. No. He said he's little as fuck. Oh shit. He's a baby. He's little as fuck. Yo, that's crazy. Okay, who did he? Yeah. Good, great. That was good D. That was great D. That's how you hedge. If you want to see a nigga hedge the screen, watch this. Look at how he came up. Flashed his hands. Active hands, everything. He seen the screen. Bam. I'm a hedge. You got to go now. Got to go now. Look. Then he got back to his man. Get in the passing lane, too. That's great defense, bro. Deep one. Deep one? Oh, okay. Okay. Fuck! You gotta make that! You gotta make that! You have to! Damn! I think they're up, bro. I think, yeah, I think the black team's up. Boom! There we go. There we go. Oh my God! He said you gonna give it to me there? He said you gonna give it to me there? Yeah, come on.
Out of bounds. Last touch, Trevor. It remains Westchester ball.
Ready to be aggressive.
Yo, these niggas are going to be great. We're going to be talking about Tajh, Ariza, and Alijah Arenas for a very, very long time, by the way.
Trevor. It remains Westchester ball.
Ready to be aggressive.
He said Ariza got 3 fouls. Appreciate that. And one. I'm telling y'all, 12 been hooping all game. 12 is a certified hooper. Why is this bald-head nigga in the camera? What the? Why is he in the camera? Why is the cameraman flashing us with a bald, bean, butter top, creamy head? Oh my God. Was that Michael Jordan? Oh, you gotta make that. Yeah, they're down. The Trevor reason them is up, bro. They're up by 8. Was that a 3? Yeah. Okay, if that was a 3, yeah, the blues behind it. Blues behind it. 3 coming back in the game. I already know what type of time he on. Good bucket. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. You should. I would've. You feel me? Maybe he ain't got that deep in his bag yet. Thought 3 was about to start talking. Whoa, 23. 23. That's a great take. Oh my God, he just cooked. I ain't like 23, you did just get cooked though. I ain't like 23, he had you on the island the whole time. ISO. This, woo, he knew he already had you. I ain't like he already seen it. Hezzy, give me that. Damn, that's a hell of a bucket. He said he cannot guard me. Yeah, that's crazy. And one. I gotta call timeout. Yeah, Trevor. Give me that. Oh my God. Tech! Oh, he got him a tech. He gave him a tech. I was about to say, is that a tech? Yeah, you can't do that, bro. You cannot pull yourself up, bro. That's a tech. That's a tech. Look at him on the bench. Look at him on the bench. You can't do that. Why is the ref kicking this bag like this? Why is the ref kicking the bag? Yo, not the ref. Why is the coach kicking the bag? Why is the coach kicking the bag? Nah. I gotta get a replay. So he goes, he dunks the ball, right? He dunks the ball, gets the tech. Look at the tech in the bottom left. Right? Everybody knows. And then look at the coach. Look at the bag. Why did he kick the bag? Why did he kick? Yo, nah, coach is a threat. Coach is a threat. Coach is a threat. What's going on? Even though coach. Yeah, I told y'all that. Yeah, told y'all they're guests. They're guests. Oh, wait. All right. 1:33 to go, down by 7. 52 to 57. Trevor, Ariza, and them are up. Okay, I was about to say. That's a hell of a call. Oh, yep. Three. I told y'all, three's coming. Three's time was coming. Ooh! Hey, when he do that balling up, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Buddy's a threat. He almost tripping over the ball, tripping over the court. Buddy's a threat. Yeah, 3 got to tech. Oh, yeah, you got to tech him. He came back over here and said it, bro. Yo, he's still trying to crash out. He's still trying to. No, 3's a threat, bro. Look at him. Yep, tech. He got the whole gym stressing. I'm cool, bro. Yeah, just walk away. Like what?
Technical foul.
Damn, bro. He is chewing him out. Golly. Look at the coach. Nah, coach, I don't want to hear none of that. Coach, I don't want to hear none of that. You was over there kicking the bag. Coach, you was literally over there kicking the bag, bro. What the hell, coach? You can't say nothing. The coach, you was the same dude kicking the bag.
Technical foul, Chatsworth. Number 3, CJ Moore.
CJ, go, yeah.
3-pointer, Alijah Arena.
I think they're down by 4. Down by 4. They're fouling, but yeah. Yeah. They won, yeah. They won. Trevor, Ariza, and them won. Hey! Oh, yeah, no, he's a threat. Your son, oh, yeah, he said, hey, throw me a lob, throw me a lob, throw me a lob. Yo, this is at the end of the game? At the end of the game? Oh, he talking about at the... Damn. Damn. Nah, that's crazy. Damn, that's insane, dude. Hey, reaction recap. Them guys, you know, hey, Trevor Ariza and Gilbert Arenas. You feel me? Y'all got some great sons. We're gonna be talking about these guys for a very long time. With that being said, Tajh Ariza did his thing. I ain't gonna lie. He got the dub. That's all that matters. But, you know, just be out there competing at the end of the day, man. But I'm going to get at y'all in the next video. I'm about to go hit the gym, man. So, yeah.